Do your summer sandals look like this? Dirty, smelly? And would you like them to look like this? Clean and smelling fresh. There's an easy way of doing it and I'm going to show you how. Okay, what you're going to need to clean your sandals is some washing powder, some detergent, some fabric softener, some sort of tea tree spray. This is the only one I could get, this works fine, and a scrubbing brush. And the other thing you're going to need is a little bit of sunshine to dry everything off in between. Sprinkle your shoe with a good layer of washing powder, washing detergent, and then we're going to put hot water on and scrub. Right, next step, I've put a small amount of warm, not boiling water on the base of the shoe, and then I'm going to put my gloves on and I'm going to scrub. Now, there's a good reason for using washing detergent for the machine, and that's because it has a nice smell which is pretty much a deodorant. Now you can see the dirt that's coming off those shoes. Knocking the camera. And then you keep on scrubbing until you've got as much dirt off as you possibly can. You rinse and you repeat. That much dirt is not going to come off in one wash. Look at that. Okay, but you probably see already, even though it's not dry, that just keep on scrubbing, scrub the outside as well. Give it a rinse and you'll see the difference. Okay, now I know it's wet, but you will already see that it's better. It's not right yet because all of this has got to come off. So we add more. Washing detergent and we scrub again. And you can see, look, it's still dirty. So keep on going until you've got clean water. Don't immerse the shoe in water. You only want to rinse the top parts. This is good, this thing. It allows you to get in small enough to get into everywhere and give it a really, really good scrub. Right, second, if not third scrub and rinse accomplished, and that's looking far better. You can see all of those brown marks from there have gone. It's still dark because it's wet, but if you put it out in the sunshine, this is what it'll look like. So where do we go to next? Well, the next thing is we take a little bit of fabric softener because this will now feel quite rough. So I put a little bit of fabric softener on, and the other thing that fabric softener does as well is it makes them smell nice. Now I'm not allergic to fabric softener, so I just put it on and leave it on, and then when it's dry I then give it a final spray with some sort of tea tree oil. This is Head Lice Defense, but it's got tea tree in it, which is what you want. So give it a spray and that will keep the smell from coming back for quite some time. And there we are. That's what you do if you want to get your smelly sandals clean and smelling fresh. Good luck to you. Enjoy. Do let me know at the end whether or not it worked.